Keeping food fresh has never been easier thanks to modern vacuum sealers. Today, we'll explore some of the best models on the market. Number 1. Bonson Kitchen Vacuum Sealer Machine. Right off the bat, the Bonson Kitchen Vacuum Sealer Machine impresses with its solid build and straightforward operation. If you're looking for a device that combines power and ease of use, this might just be your kitchen companion. Having spent several weeks using it to store everything from fresh vegetables to premium cuts of meat, I can confidently say it delivers consistent airtight seals that lock in freshness impressively well. This vacuum sealer boasts multiple sealing modes, including dry and moist settings, which makes it versatile for different types of food. Its compact footprint means it won't crowd your countertop, yet it packs enough punch to handle bags up to a decent thickness. The machine also includes an option for gentle suction, perfect for delicate items that could get crushed otherwise. A subtle LED indicator guides the process, taking out guesswork for beginners. Number 2. Fresco Automatic Vacuum Sealer. The Fresco Automatic Vacuum Sealer caught my attention primarily because of its affordable price and user-friendly design. As someone who's tried several sealers with mixed results, I was curious to see if this budget-friendly option could hold its own. After a couple of months using it for daily meal prepping and sous vide cooking, I'd say it offers excellent value without a steep learning curve. This model shines with its fully automatic operation. Just place the bag, press the button, and let it do the work. Its 2 sealing modes adapt well, depending on whether you're dealing with dry snacks or juicy marinades. The compact size makes it easy to store, and it surprisingly handles thick bags securely without errors. Another nice touch is its built-in cutter, which means no fumbling with scissors or extra tools. Number 3. Chef Preserve Compact Vacuum Sealer. If you need a vacuum sealer that combines style with performance in a compact form, the Chef Preserve Compact Vacuum Sealer may be the one. After incorporating it into my weekly cooking ritual, I've discovered how much a dependable vacuum sealer can improve not only storage but also meal planning and prepping. This model focuses on simplicity but doesn't skimp on features. With preset buttons for sealing and vacuum sealing, plus an option for manual adjustment, it caters to both novice and experienced users. Its sleek black design looks great in any kitchen and doesn't take up much space, which is a bonus if counter area is limited. The sealing quality is impressive for its size, consistently providing airtight bags that prolong the life of food remarkably well. Number 4. Belicious Pro Vacuum Sealer. For those who want a professional-grade vacuum sealer without stepping into commercial prices, the Belicious Pro Vacuum Sealer represents an intriguing middle ground. Having tested this unit extensively with a variety of foods, I found it combines power with user-friendly features in a way that feels both modern and reassuring. The Belicious Pro stands out thanks to its multiple customizable settings, including modes for dry, moist, and gentle vacuum sealing. Its sturdy construction and larger sealing size allow it to adapt to bigger bags and bulk storage needs efficiently. What really impressed me was its built-in roll storage and cutter, which streamline the process and eliminate extra mess or hassle. Number 5. Uproop Vacuum Sealer for Food. The Uproop Vacuum Sealer is a no-nonsense option for anyone seeking effectiveness on a budget. After trying it for sealing bulk-bought vegetables and homemade sauces, I'd say it punches well above its price class in terms of performance. Compact yet reliable, it brings practical features that make food storage a breeze. This vacuum sealer offers dual modes tailored for dry and moist foods, ensuring that you get the right sealing strength without damaging delicate items. It also features automatic operation. Simply place the bag and activate the machine without complicated settings. The device's lightweight design makes it portable, a feature I found surprisingly useful when moving between kitchens. Its sealing strips provide consistently strong seals that prevent freezer burn and retain moisture, extending food freshness significantly.